Good morning, and welcome to today's 10-minute meditation. Just have to change something. Sorry, guys. I'm getting better at this. So, today we're talking about, or we're going to work on a meditation for healing in the presence. The last 2 days we did our past, and I hope some of you noticed a difference. I hope you notice that during the day, things might not have affected you the way they have in the past, because as we heal, things that have occurred prior, they no longer have a hold on us. Right now, we're going to focus on the present, though. So as we step into our meditation, which we will start with the prayer of protection and the Lord's Prayer, we're going to feel the energy moving through us, and we're going to experience it coming out of our hands. That's where most of our healing energy comes from. And when we're moving it out, it's most of the time being moved out through our hands. It does also move out through our heart, different conversation. So in the meditation, I'm going to ask you to move in your mind, move your hands, not physically, but in your mind, imagine your hands going to a spot on your body that needs healing. It could be your eyes, you have migraines, arthritis. And if there's nothing physical going on and you want to heal a relationship, I'm going to ask you to move your arms, your hands in your mind's eye and embrace the difficult relationship. Like hold yourself and the other person together in your mind with your hands. The energy flows out our hands. Okay, I took a little bit more time to explain that because I want to make sure you understood what I meant. So we might go a little slightly over. Let's get started. Take a deep breath and close your eyes. And we begin with the prayer of protection. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Take another deep breath and just invite yourself to relax and go deeper. Take another deep breath and begin to scan your body and look for any tightness. If you notice anything tight in your shoulders, in your legs, just invite it to relax and let go. Our body follows our mind. Once again, we notice the immense amount of energy flowing into us from our head all the way down to our feet. This river of continuous flowing energy that starts at our crown of our head and at our forehead in between our eyebrows. Notice the energy moving in, filling us as it goes through our whole body, never ending, just moving along like a river. Let's take the witness now, that part of us who actually observes what's going on in the world, and step back into that beautiful river of water as if you're standing in a waterfall, and allow the observer to be non-judgmental and just stand there with this beautiful flow of energy going through. Should thoughts come to you, just come back to this river and this waterfall and just witness what is occurring. Now let us direct some of this energy without intention. Let's bring this energy that is filling us up always and forever. Let's notice how we can move it into our hands and out our hands with tremendous force, not losing any of the potential that's within us. Let us now move our hands in our mind to that part of our body that needs healing, or to that relationship we choose to heal today. And let us stand here and allow this beautiful energy that comes from on high, that comes from the Almighty, to handle this issue, whether it be physical or relationship. We are witnessing, we are observing this healing. We are not actually causing it. We're just being that which is willing to stand here for it to occur. Now take a moment, bringing your hands in from your back to yourself. Raise them up in gratitude and thanksgiving, and send back appreciation for the healing, for this opportunity, for life. And as we bring our awareness fully into our bodies, we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me besides the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Thanks for joining me, guys. I hope to see you tonight. Chris and I are going to be answering random questions. Try to keep them specific, but you do have to be signed into the webinar. The webinar will stream to Facebook. You can see the show there, but if you want to actually participate, register for it. Go to our page at Into Intuition where you are now and make sure you register for that webinar. See you tonight. Otherwise, see you tomorrow morning, and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.